Welcome to the Life123 Writers Community. My name is Tim, and today I'm going to walk you through how to submit an article. It's a really straightforward process. So the first thing you're going to do is once you log into the community, go ahead and click on the Write and Submit tab at the top of your screen. This is the Write and Submit page here. So you'll see that there are four main fields. One for your title, one for tags, which are also known as keywords, one for summary, which is a 1 to 3 sentence synopsis of your article, and the article body field. So let's start from the top. The first thing you want to do is select a topic. So this is the category that your article will live in at Life123. Go ahead and click that button. So this brings up a menu of all the categories on our site. So for this example, we're going to write an article on the vegetarian food pyramid. So that would live in food and drink. We're going to navigate down here. Vegetarian and vegan as a subcategory. And then the topic that it'll live in will be cooking vegetarian food. So you'll see that the topic I just selected is visible at the top of my screen. So now I'll go ahead and fill in the title. It'll be called the Vegetarian Food Guide Pyramid. I'll enter my tags, which you'll see I've already done here. Make sure you comma separate your tags, also known as your keywords, so we'll be able to differentiate them. The summary, which should be 1 to 3 sentences. So I've gone ahead and written my article using Microsoft Word. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy the summary and then paste it in. And then the article body I've also written in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to copy that as well. A lot of writers choose to write in their own word processing program because it's easier. So the trick with copying from outside programs is sometimes they add special characters or things that aren't recognized by our system. So the best way to avoid getting an error upon submission is use this icon here called Paste from Word. All this really does is strip out any non-essential characters besides your normal formatting. So you paste your copy there and then just hit OK. So now you'll see my article shows up perfectly in this window. And you'll always see here that you can check your word count at any time to make sure you're within the 300 to 1,000 word limit. Another cool feature we have is the Check It button. So the Check It button was really built in order to avoid errors being submitted. So before you submit your article, you can check it for formatting, style errors. We also check it for plagiarism and duplicate content upon submission. That doesn't happen until you submit because it takes a little extra time. But we'll go ahead and check it. So it takes a few seconds because it's looking for any inappropriate language, to make sure you have paragraphs, to make sure that the content of your article matches the topic you've selected. So it looks like I've passed the test. You'll get a message here that says your article passes the validation test. If for some reason you got an error there, it'll give you an explanation of what needs to be fixed. So that's basically the process of adding your article. And if you don't want to submit it at this time, you can always just save it as a draft by clicking this button here, and that'll allow you to come back at a later time and finish it up. So now that you've written your article, you can go ahead and submit it, clicking the submit button, and then this will send it to our editors who will review it and then publish it on Life123, and you'll be on your way to earning your $20. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on writing with Life123. Thank you.